Discover the miraculous benefits of celery juice for overall health. Did you know that just 1 glass of celery juice a day can bring countless benefits to your body? In the book, The Body Heals Itself, author William Anthony explains in detail the extraordinary effects of celery on health. Let's explore 10 amazing benefits of celery juice. A drink not only good for your heart and bones, but also helps detoxify the body and strengthen your immune system. 1. Lowers cholesterol. Celery juice helps regulate and reduce cholesterol levels in the blood, effectively protecting heart health. 2. Reduces inflammation. The anti-inflammatory compounds in celery help reduce swelling and inflammation, especially beneficial for people with arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. 3. Strengthens bone health. Celery is rich in calcium and silicon, which helps strengthen bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. 4. Detoxifies the body. Celery juice is a natural way to detoxify, helping to eliminate accumulated toxins from the body. 5. Supports digestion. Celery helps soothe the digestive system, alleviating symptoms like bloating and constipation, promoting better digestion. 6. Lowers blood pressure. Celery juice helps relax blood vessels, thus regulating and maintaining stable blood pressure levels. 7. Prevents oxidation. With its high antioxidant content, celery juice protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. 8. Balances pH levels. Celery juice helps balance the body's pH, protecting against harmful factors from acidic environments. 9. Kills bacteria and viruses. Celery contains natural compounds capable of eliminating harmful bacteria and viruses, boosting the immune system. 10. Enhances nerve health. Celery juice helps improve brain function, reduce stress, and enhance concentration. Conclusion: adding celery juice to your daily diet can bring positive changes to your overall health.